friends, Running Kimono here. So a lot of these gift sets will be 90% off tomorrow over at the Dollar General. So that little LA Colors lip kit, 30 cents. That beautiful slipper thing, perfect for your mother-in-law, $1. So there's going to be some tremendous savings, and we're going to look at some stuff and magic and so on and so forth. Big shout out and thank you to the freebie guy. He posted about this on Sunday, and all of this will also be hitting extra clearance, the Valentine's Day stationery, all that good stuff, 90% off, and the carryover gift set. So that's what we're talking about in this specific video, where I'm going to be showing you barcodes and intel, because I know a lot of you really like gift sets. Like, who doesn't? And any time of the year, these are beautiful to gift. So shout out to Kendall. Thank you for this intel. So in your store, you're going to find it at the front or possibly in the Valentine's Day section. And this is the stuff that we're looking for. So in the Valentine's Day section, it'll say price break. Right now it's 50% off, but tomorrow it's going to be 90% off. So they'll have all this stuff in one location, but some stores it might be in a different location. But at the two stores I visited today, it was pretty much in the Valentine's Day clearance area where it's 50% off. So anything with these purple stickers, what I noticed is it is 50% right now. So as per that clearance schedule, tomorrow it's going to be 90% off. Okay, so opening up your Dollar General app, if you're scanning this barcode on Monday the 21st, it's going to be $5. But tomorrow, if you scan this exact same barcode, it'll be $1. So if you just want to save it to your list, tomorrow morning you can check through the app. And I will leave a little video on how to use the Dollar General app and scan barcodes, pinned in the notes if you're not sure what I'm talking about. This will also give you an idea of what the inventory is in your city as well, using the Dollar General app, because they will list the number if there's any of this left. What's really weird about these gift sets is there's a lot around here. And I think that just around Christmas time, possibly it wasn't a big thing, or another truck came and they got a whole bunch more. So this LA Colors is $1.50 right now on the 21st. Tomorrow, the 22nd, this should be 30 cents. Oh my gosh. Now this one, you just scan in the barcode. It's $2.50. So I think this is a product that's $5. So it'll be 50 cents starting tomorrow. And I just typed in Cleveland, Ohio, and look, there's 4 at a store in Madison. So yeah, a lot of stores have this merchandise. So for the next bunch, guys, I'm just providing UPCs. So open up the Dollar General app. Most of these are Freeman, which is a really good skincare company, and the stuff is going to be really cheap. This one was a men's beard kit. So it's even stuff for future Father's Day gift, or if you want to, something for you or, your husband or whatever. It's just, I love these little gift sets, and a lot of it is lotions and potions, and just scan them. A lot of them have photos, or it'll just be written up what they have, and obviously see how many your location has. And I do apologize about not photographing every single gift kit. I was just in a very rush today, so I barely made it to 2 Dollar Generals, and I'm like, get these barcodes. But if you open up your Dollar General app, a lot of times they have that smaller picture, so you'll know precisely what I'm talking about. I definitely will be looking for some of those Freeman kits, but another part of tomorrow here is there's supposed to be a massive rain and snowstorm, so it's supposed to make a lot of sleet and just stuff that doesn't make driving very good. So if there's another big snowstorm, I think I might be staying home, and I'll go out on Wednesday, but I don't think any shoppers will be out on Tuesday the 22nd if it's ice rain nonstop, and that's what they're predicting for the northern part of Michigan. But yeah, definitely open up the Dollar General app, scan, and if you're in if there's a big storm where you are too, I'm sure nobody will really be out shopping. Probably Wednesday the 23rd might be a smarter time to go shop. Last weekend I couldn't even do a 5 off of 25 because the weather was so bad here too. So sometimes you just miss out on these things, but it just is what it is. And just to show you, I think this one is a bunch of nail color and stuff, and different glitter and stuff. What teenage girl wouldn't love to get that? And this stuff will be a rock bottom price tomorrow. So hopefully those UPCs will be quite helpful. Now, both Walmart and Target hit 90% on the Valentine's Day clearance. So lots of like bags and bows and cards and all things Valentine's. I even saw some people on Instagram talking about dog treats that were Valentine's Day themed. I didn't find anything like that, but I did go to one Walmart and I was like, wow, there's some really nice stuff. At the till, make sure that this stuff is ringing up 90%, because I actually had one card ring up for $7 and I was like, no thank you. I'll probably have a video tomorrow where I'll show you some of my haul. All of this 90% off. I think I paid under $10, including some clearance hair care, which is really nice. And it's that Monday in Love, like to pay like next to nothing for those 50 cents. I'll take that all day, every day, and 100 times on Sunday. As always, guys, thanks for watching. And if you love Dollar General shopping, tomorrow it is on for those cute kids.